Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, North Chicago, local and long distance movers near me. Contact us for long distance relocations. A long distance relocation is a distance above 100 miles. A move of this magnitude can cross between states or stay within a state. No matter, we can handle the entire moving process. All you have to do is allow us the task, enabling you to do other important things necessary for a successful move. Are you concerned about the safety of your belongings? Well, you don't have to be concerned. Our movers are registered and licensed, and they're responsible and well trained, always ensuring that you're satisfied. Also, we have insurance policies in place that protect you from the risk of liabilities during and after the move. With this, we can assure your safety and that of your belongings. Furthermore, we can boast an excellent relationship with federal and state authorities, which is beneficial to the client and us. Are you looking to move locally? You can also contact us. Our rates are very affordable at $30 to $40 per hour. Our professional movers are highly trained, and they can easily maneuver across busy streets without losing or damaging anything. Our team is well equipped to draw up and organize your move for you without hassle. You can also ask for reviews from our previous clients around you. They are all the same, outstanding and satisfactory reviews. In addition to local and long distance moving, our North Chicago moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.